Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are doing good. So welcome back to the new tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial you will learn how to write a source code in C++ programming language for doing simple bubble sort using array in ascending order. Now the bubble sort algorithm simply compares adjacent elements and exchanges them if they are out of order. To apply the bubble sort, we'll follow the following steps. Compare first two elements and exchange them if they are out of order. Move down one element and compare second and third elements. Exchange if necessary. Continue until end of array. Pass through array again, repeating process and exchanging as necessary. Repeat until a pass is met with no exchanges. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will make a method void print array int array int n for int I is equal to 0, I less than n plus plus I std cout array I std flush std cout std end line statement terminator. After that I'll make another method, let's say void bubble sort integer array integer n boolean swapped is equal to true, int j is equal to 0, int temp, and then while swapped swapped is equal to false, j plus plus for integer I is equal to 0, I less than n minus j plus plus I if array I is greater than array I plus 1, then temp is equal to array I and array I is equal to array I plus 1, and then array I plus 1 is equal to temp, and then swapped is equal to true. After that I'll create a main method int main parenthesis integer array is equal to, here I'll type some random numbers. You can write whatever random numbers you want, let's say 94, 42, 50, 95, 333, 65, 54, 456, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, integer n is equal to size of array divided by size of array 0. After that, std cout before bubble sort, okay, std and line statement terminator, and then print array and n statement terminator, and then bubble sort array and n. After that, std cout after bubble sort, then std and line, and then again print array and n, and then in last return 0. Okay, so I'll compile and run it and show you how the output looks like. Okay, no errors. Okay, so you can see here, this is the output before bubble sort, and this is the result after bubble sort. So you can choose some random numbers and you can simply do the bubble sorting. This is basically an algorithm. So you can do like this, and this is the coding. Okay, so I hope you have understood the code, and uh, I have to make a request here that if you have any queries, you can ask in the comments. And if you want me to make videos like this on any topic or any topic in coding, you can just write in the comments and I'll see those topics and try to make videos on them. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.